How to draft a blog post in Wix. If it is a case that you have already created your blog post and you added it to your website and now you want to draft it, all you need to do is tap on the three dots in line with the post name and you could select revert to draft. Then you'll select revert to draft once more, and from there it will now be added to drafts. If it is a case that you would like to create a draft blog post from scratch, you could select create new post in the top right hand corner, and then from there you will be redirected to a new page and you could create your post. So for example, let's say I were to use the Wix AI to quickly add an article, or I'll just add in a test, just add in a line right here. After doing that, you could add anything you want to your blog post. And once you're finished, if it is a case that you would like to simply save it as a draft, you can go over to the top right hand corner, tap on the three dots in line with publish. Then you will tap on save as draft. And that's how you'll be able to draft a blog post from scratch. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.